Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which is in a very strong uptrend. In fact, what we can notice is a series of monthly higher highs and higher lows that clearly were pushed by strong institutional buying. In fact, every single correction immediately was met with that institutional demand and support. And we will speak about this in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders analysis. But for now, let's keep in mind that during this uptrend, as I just said, every correction was immediately bought up by strong institutional buyers. And the very last correction is quite deeper than the recent ones. In fact, if we want to measure after this impulse the very last correction, what we have to do is take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. And if we do that, we can see that this correction was quite deep compared to the previous ones, which didn't even reach the 0.382. This one here went all the way down to the 0.618, which is in red because it is one of the deepest retracement levels. In fact, if an uptrend is to continue, usually the last retracement level that it will test is exactly the 0.618, after which you're supposed to see the continuation to the upside if the uptrend actually wants to continue, which means that at the moment we are inside of the level at which we're supposed to see once more institutional buyers stepping in. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly, I spoke about gold just last week after the creation of this candle like this. What we said is that after the creation of a candle like this, so with a red body and a very long wick, what we were expecting is the next weekly candle to try to fill in this wick. So essentially what we expected is a bearish weekly candle. That is because essentially what you had here was an impulse and a correction, in which the correction was exactly the wick that we see here on the weekly time frame. So on lower time frames, if on the weekly this is the shape of this candle, on lower time frames, for example on the daily time frame, what you will have is an impulse and correction, in which the correction, as I just said, is exactly the wick that we see here on the weekly. Just a quick interruption, let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. And in fact, if we go on the daily, that is exactly what was happening, right? On the daily, we had the impulse to the downside followed by this correction, and we wanted to see the continuation lower, filling in that wick on the weekly time frame, which in fact is exactly what the market did. Because I spoke about gold when the market was here, I explained all the reasons for which from here I wanted to see the rejection higher. Then again here, I made this very last analysis that I'm speaking about, from which I explained all the reasons for which I wanted to see the rejection lower. And by the way, I will link in description both these previous analysis so you can go and check them out for more free education. And now that the market has done exactly what we wanted it is definitely time for an update, which is why I'm making this video. Now, what we have to notice from a daily perspective is that now the market is reaching again this previous level of very strong demand and support, which by the way is exactly the level that we already identified on the monthly time frame. So essentially the 0.618 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse, which was that correction we were speaking about. And we can see here how precisely the market respected this 0.618. As soon as the market touched it, immediately rejection higher. Again here, touch and rejection higher. Now we have the possibility of creating a double bottom at this zone. So the first test, a small relief rally, retest and rejection higher. That is definitely possible, especially if we will start to see inside of this zone strong institutional buying and closing of shorts. Now, speaking about institutional positioning, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders. So what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we're looking at the data for gold, we have to keep in mind that we are already looking at gold USD because all the data is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that the last reports have shown an increase in the net positions. In fact, we went from 154K up to 173K net positions. So what we can notice is that longs are being increased. We went from 200.7K longs all the way up to 207.9K longs. At the same time, shorts are being decreased. We went, in fact, from 51.1K all the way down to only 34.1K net position, actually shorts. So the situation is very clear. We have institutions which are currently increasing their longs and are decreasing their shorts at a quite strong historical structured zone, as we have already identified from the technical perspective that we have already done. So we check the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. So we have to put all of this together. We have to put together the fact that institutions are currently moving to the bullish side with the fact that we are at such a quite important level, and try to understand where the best probabilities are. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure to join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to analysis. So as I was saying, in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best time frames for that are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection higher away from the area for the market to create a double bottom at this zone. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education, and I will see you in my next video.